Hi, welcome to the third module of this course. It's called Tools. And in this module, I've described 5 different tools that you can use while you're going through the stop smoking process, and also for when you're done smoking to help you maintain a non-smoking existence. And also they're useful tools for other things in life. So hopefully you'll be able to find ones you like and that work for you, and you'll be able to keep them for a long time as you want to be healthy and well for the rest of your life. One of the tools that what I'm going to do is describe very briefly right here in a sentence or two each of the tools, and then there's accompanying lectures, 5 lectures with the title of the tool and what it is, and I'll give a fuller demonstration and explanation of each one. Okay, so one of the tools is journaling. Journaling is writing, so that's why I asked you to put some paper in your quit kit. Journaling is kind of like keeping a diary, but instead of just writing down what happened, you also write about how you think and feel about what happened, or how you thought and felt while it was happening. So it's a little closer analysis of your behavior and your thinking. A second tool that you'll be learning is called alternative thinking, or cognitive reframing is what psychologists call it, which is a way to think about something differently than you normally do. And that's really useful because we become habitual thinkers about things, and you might find that thinking about something differently can change how you think and feel about it, and how you respond to it. So becoming aware of that is a good thing. A third thing that you'll be learning is something called thought stopping, and that is that we all have thoughts that we think and sometimes we even hear that thought in our internal voice. And if you've had the same thought 1,000, 2,000, 5,000 times, like, oh man, I need a cigarette, that's a thought. I just verbalized it, but you've probably had that. And you might decide that leads to a whole automatic behavior. You're real good at having that thought in a certain situation. If you've had it 5,000 times, you're good at what you practice. And so, man, you're real good at that thought and the things that come afterwards. So you might want, with thought stopping, you become aware of your thoughts and what they lead to. And then the next time you have it, instead of doing that automatic behavior that follows the thought, instead you have the thought and say, whoa, wait, stop. And then think about doing something different. Okay, so that's the third thing, thought stopping. The fourth thing that you'll be learning is something called the cleansing breath, which is just taking air in, letting it out, giving yourself a few seconds, 5 seconds, even a minute if you want to. A minute's really good. 2 minutes is even better, of just breaking whatever the flow of your energy is at that time, stopping, cleansing your body, soul, and mind, so that you can go on feeling a little more refreshed. This is something you might want to use in your stop smoking situation. When you're having the urge to smoke, or you run into a situation that is an invitation to smoke instead of smoking, you might just take a cleansing breath and give yourself a little break. Think about it for a while. So there's an MP3 that describes the cleansing breath, and you can download that to your portable device, your phone or your pad, whatever it is, and you can have that with you. So you can use the cleansing breath at any time. And don't have to be online to do it. The fifth tool in this unit is called the anchoring tutorial. Anchoring is another word that was given to me by a close friend to describe the process of mindfulness. And mindfulness is a way of being able to observe, first of all, relax. It's a way to deal with stress. And it's a way for you to understand your mind, and it's a way for you to control your life a little better. So students have found that mindfulness has helped them deal with the urges to smoke and the reasons to smoke, and just make life a little easier for them. So mindfulness is the fifth tool. It's accompanied also by both a PDF and an MP3 that you can download and use on your own time and not have to be connected to the internet. Okay, so those are the 5 tools for Module 3. Go ahead, and when you're done, you can and master them, which is now going to take 4, 6, 8, 10 days for you to master these. You can go on with the course, but one of the things I ask you to do is that each day for the next couple of weeks, continue to practice these tools so that you can be good at them by the time that your quit day arrives, and also for the rest of your life.